Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we'll learn how to create a registration form in Google Forms. To begin, open Google Forms and click on the plus icon. Create a simple blank form. Add a title such as event registration and include a short description. Next, add essential questions like name, age, and email address. You can also include phone numbers or other required details. From the question type menu, use short answer or multiple choice where appropriate. Enable required to make sure respondents cannot skip important questions. If needed, enable collect email addresses from the settings. Go to Settings. Scroll down, open the email collection option and select Verified. This will automatically capture respondent email addresses. We've learned how to structure a registration form and add required fields. This helps you collect accurate and complete responses. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelftStack tutorial videos.